Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Tuesday, January 18th. Stocks on Wall Street are mixed in early trading. The Dow Industrials are modestly higher, but declines in shares of Citigroup and Apple are weighing on the Nasdaq and S&P 500. Citigroup is falling 4% after missing expectations with its fourth quarter earnings. The financial giant swung to a profit of about $1.3 billion, compared to a loss of more than $7.5 billion a year ago. But analysts had forecast Citigroup to earn about double that. Meanwhile, Apple is tumbling more than 5% after Steve Jobs announced that he'll take a medical leave of absence. Jobs will keep his position as CEO and remain involved in big decisions, but Chief Operating Officer Tim Cook will take over all the day-to-day operations. After today's closing bell, Apple will report its quarterly earnings, along with IBM, Linear Technology, and Western Digital.
The fourth quarter earnings season kicks into high gear today, headlined by that Citigroup report. But Delta Airlines is also out with its results. Revenue actually came in a bit better than expected, but higher expenses, including fuel costs, cut into the company's bottom line. Delta shares are losing more than 2% on the news. But Forest Laboratories is gaining 3% after its profit in the latest quarter came in well ahead of Wall Street estimates. The earnings continue to roll in throughout the week, with financial and technology companies in focus. Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and Capital One lead the way on the banking front, while the tech giants reporting results include Google, eBay, and Advanced Micro Devices.
We do have some M&A news to tell you about this morning. Comerica is buying Sterling Bank shares in a stock swap worth about $1 billion. The deal values Sterling at $10 a share, or about a 30% premium over Friday's closing price. Right now, Sterling is jumping nearly 20% to well above $9 a share, and Comerica is dropping more than 6%. On the economic front, manufacturing conditions in the New York region improved slightly in January, but economists had predicted a bigger rise. Looking ahead, tomorrow brings a report on housing starts in December, followed by existing home sales, jobless claims, and the Philadelphia Fed survey of business conditions on Thursday.
Checking in on the other markets. Stocks across Europe are broadly higher as Eurozone finance ministers continue their two-day meeting in Brussels. Investors think they'll agree to boost the size and scope of the bailout fund for struggling nations, but more details haven't been worked out yet. That expectation is pushing the euro higher against the US dollar this morning. The dollar is falling against other major currencies, and oil prices are slipping back below $91 a barrel after the Financial Times reported that OPEC is quietly increasing production. But gold is rebounding from some recent declines, now trading at about $13.70 an ounce.
Analyst actions are moving several stocks this morning. Yahoo is dropping nearly 2% after a downgrade by Morgan Stanley. Arch Coal and Humana are sharply lower after Goldman Sachs cut both stocks to sell. But on the positive side, shares of McDonald's are rising following an upgrade by RBC. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.